Planning your dream trip to Japan? Whether it's your first time or you just want a smoother experience, here are 15 must-know travel tips that will help you avoid mistakes, save money, and blend in with the locals. Let's get started. 1. Travel light. Japanese hotel rooms are small and public transport can get crowded. Stick to a carry-on and backpack if you can. 2. Get a JR pass in advance. If you're traveling between cities like Tokyo and Kyoto, a Japan Rail Pass can save you a lot, but you need to buy it before arriving in Japan. 3. Rent pocket Wi-Fi or get an eSIM. Having internet access helps with maps, translation, and train schedules. Pocket Wi-Fi is reliable, and eSIMs are becoming more popular. 4. Cash is king. Japan is still very cash-based. Keep yen with you at all times. ATMs in 7-Eleven stores are the most foreign, card-friendly.
5. Learn a few Japanese phrases.
Even a simple arigato or sumimasen shows respect. English is not widely spoken in rural areas. Just get an IC card like Suica or Pasmo. These reloadable cards work on most trains, buses, vending machines, and even convenience stores. 7. Use Google Maps and Hyperdia. These apps help you navigate the complex train systems, and figure out exact train times and platforms. 8. Be quiet on public transport. Speaking loudly or talking on the phone on trains is considered rude. Put your phone on silent and keep conversations low.
9. Try convenience store food.
7-Eleven, Family Mart, and Lawson have fresh,
affordable meals like rice balls, noodles, and sandwiches. 10. Carry your trash. Public trash bins are rare, especially in cities. Bring a small bag to carry your trash until you find a bin. 11. Respect shoes-off rules. Take off your shoes in homes, temples, and even some restaurants. Indoor slippers are usually provided. 12. Onsen etiquette matters. Before entering a hot spring, wash thoroughly. Swimwear is not allowed. Wash thoroughly. Swimwear is not allowed, and tattoos might be frowned upon in some places. 13. Bowing is common. A slight bow is a polite way to say hello, thank you, or goodbye. It's part of everyday Japanese manners. 14. Stay in a ryokan at least once. Experience traditional Japanese lodging with tatami mats, futons, and local meals. It's a unique cultural experience. 15. Be respectful in temples and shrines. Walk quietly, don't point, and follow signs about photography. Bowing at the entrance is customary. And that wraps up our top 15 tips for traveling to Japan. From transportation hacks to cultural etiquette, knowing these in advance can make your trip more fun and respectful. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more travel tips. Got your own advice for Japan? Drop it in the comments below. Safe travels and see you in the next video.